Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing your devices. Install Google Meet on your phone and sign in, because Android TV often relies on casting. Once done, make sure both phone and TV use the same Wi-Fi network so cast works reliably. Now grant camera and microphone permissions on the phone. Those permissions let your video and audio flow to the meeting. Finally, open the meeting on your phone and tap Cast or Screencast. Choose your Android TV so the TV displays the meeting immediately. Once casting starts, join the Google Meet meeting from your phone so the session streams to the TV. Make sure you cast the app or mirror the screen. App casting keeps video quality steadier. To improve sound, pair a Bluetooth headset or choose your TV's audio output and lower phone speaker to reduce echo. Position the phone on a stable surface for a steady camera angle, and lock orientation so video remains correctly framed. These steps keep audio clear and video centered for everyone. To finish, leave the meeting on your phone, then stop casting so the Android TV returns to its home screen. That ensures apps stop using network and camera. If something goes wrong, try restarting the phone, TV, or router. Often reboots clear connection issues. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, because mixed bands can block casting. If casting won't work, consider an HDMI adapter or sideload a compatible Meet APK as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.